Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world. Welcome to Integration TV. We are in Mogadishu, Somalia. You know how much I love sharing the positivity of this beautiful city that has grown so much since my last trip in December 2014. The roads are different, the people are different, and right now we're actually at the world's largest embassy that the government of Turkey has ever built, and it's located right here in Somalia. So today I'm going to give you guys a tour of the Turkish embassy in Somalia, and honestly, this is probably, looks like a different world when you come in here. Right now we are in the courtyard where there's like 4 different buildings surround us at the Turkish embassy, and right in front of me is actually where the ambassador lives in this beautiful home and where he has different dignitaries visit him, and this is kind of cool. So this is the largest embassy in the world that Turkey has ever built. All my viewers know that I did the first documentary on Turkey and Somalia, and imagine this entire embassy was not here 2.5 years ago. So this is like a milestone that the Turkish government could build something like this in such a short period of time. Imagine what we could do in Somalia, guys. Walk actually to where Lido Beach, where you can see it in the embassy, and it's kind of cool because you can go on the rooftop and you'll see the beach. I just arrived. I've made it in this world. What kind of view is this? Look at this. Wow. Wow. On the rooftop here, but I want to thank you guys so much for joining me live from Mogadishu from the Turkish embassy. As you can see, Somalia we hormartay. Welcome to the new Mogadishu. This is what it's about, guys: redevelopment and building our great nation. Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world. You know, life in Mogadishu is not all about beaches. Sometimes you just gotta walk around the district and meet some funny people. I'm actually walking in Holland district. We're about to go to the ARC hospital, and I see this guy with a donkey, and I'm like, stop the car, Chochi. Salam alaikum, Adar. How's tahay? Maxaa samaynaysaa maanta? Guri baad dhisaysaa? Maya. Wax yar oo maaragtay sariir iyo laga sameeyay. Sariir? Oh, okay. Haye? أنا سمعني جمعها. ها. قفة أوجينيسا. So سيدا بحشة إنه أسرتي بحندن. العجرة بتاعها. Oh, you have to make money. وارهن قفة من دوشي سينو صوص عرواية. Okay, see what أنا مكلا فولا. فول. مسوق لي كده. فول كده. One. Oh my God, hold on. Are you sure? Okay, yeah, I can do it. 1, 2, 3. Exercise time. Oh my God. Ma ku dhacaya? We're gonna go get a haircut because Hassan, we didn't have time to get a haircut before we left Canada. So you wanna go get your haircut in Mogadishu? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Who's the best hair cutter here? I think I want to dye it. I want to dye my hair green. So who's that green hair?
أنا مقعد عمر على ده.
هيا.
تبجران كشقية.
Okay. Okay, so Kyle, we figured to move by here.
I want my hair green. There.
He doesn't speak English. You have to talk Somali to him.
Okay, you translate. I want my hair dyed green.
Okay, wuxuu rabaa timaha inaad line yar u samaysid. Line yar iyo inta
You're not saying
and he
that.
wants green hair. Timo green. How do you say green? Adiga waa Somali aqooni. Agaarka timaha ma samayn kartaa? Can you dye hair?
عقار.
ها.
بلاغ على سمين. عقار كمان.
Okay, go. So you gotta dry.
That's dyed.
No, that's not.
That's dyed? No.
حبي خليفة تقانا.
أبي غلي فؤاد.
ها. معك تقانا
بار
حبي.
إنه تمجرك شقية إنه معنا فني هاي معنا ودكتور شاطر بقول هاي.
سيدو وش شيء هذا مش شيء.
وش كيا نظام معنا هو إن على وش كيا عبارة جو والله.
بعدين أنا مش شيء كذا ما هذا كله هاللي.
سيدا كل مركان شقينا وش كيا.
ما حد شيء كذا.
شيء كل.
الحين ممكن كله الله مركي ماشي ماذا.
والله كفتنا تمجرا
هيا.
كفتن عادي.
هيا.
هذه وحياة بدنا نستحوذ.
هيا.
دمر
ما كهذا شيء.
يا.
دمر.
دمرك. دمرك أنت بدن دمرك أنت لو مش هيك وين اللي حاسس كان واي وين كان واي مركل يسكوك كان عادي لكن سيد بدن لو مش هيك.
Okay, ما شاء الله. So we could make.
مناسب ولا وش هيك.
Okay, ما شاء الله. So ده قرب تشوف نحاول شيء كذا. تيجي كذا.
ودن كود.
لا هذا الحاجة.
برواقية ونبدي ودن معنا عادي وكل سعودة. يا وحرب شيء يجرين. سومالي وسيدا أكيسان ونستح سعودة أبي ألدي وحس كم جرتها
مساجد لك يستاهل
أنا وات تعرفه؟ وات تعرفه؟ هيا؟
ما الدنيا سكوا شيء وين جاي متعرف
كان قاعد مساجد يستاهل
تعرف كل شيء والله ولا قرحي رنت نو شيء هذا رنت نو شيء
كسر والي أنا عادي مان ماشو نوش وانا قال شقيا فيرس وانا قال كعيو
هيا مساجد يستاهل مساجد وحو كده هي بيركي عربكي كده دمي ولا يالو واحد اللي لقبته
كفته وانا
صمر اللي كان
عادي ماهن جادو عنو يا ومرخان سي مرخان ما تقنا قفته مرخان سي مرخان سي متقنا فيري ومرخان سي انا معنا لكن قاعد مرخان سي هدو افكو كوايا
يا كغرني افكا
هدو افكو كوايا هدو افكو كوايا أو مرخانسين خوف مرخانسين خوف كل اسكول ما باي نيجا مرخانسين اللي دي ساقورنا هذه هذه إلى شكل
يا وش خليل the rapper oh wow okay
يا باي
we're not gonna talk about that here okay
ما هي تتكلم
so ما هو كفتم وريا إفتاس
فيري dadka jaadka isticmaala kan iyo dad badan way jiraan anaga jaadka ma isticmaalo waan shaqeynaa dadka shaqeey qaarna balwad ay leeyihiin qaarna balwad ma laha ani balwad ma leeyahay saacadii balwad la kaas balwad ma laha
nin walba balwad buu leeyahay
nin walba buu leeyahay balwadaha kale
taada sheeg
deeda ani mali
balwadan malihi
balwadan wax balwadan
somebody's lying in the show right now okay I think balwadan naaga waay
balwadeeda
alright guys
balwadeeda cuntadeeda iyo reerkeyga bas wax inaan cuno reerkeyna ciyaara xataa taageero
balwadu waxay tahay wax tan
balwada ma xuna nin walba balwadu uu leeyahay laakiin balwadaha sida footballka ciyaara jira footballka xataa
so sports balwada tahay
ma isaas uma tahay
okay guys we'll take it from there anyways thank you so much waa mahadsantahay soo dhawaysan
adiga madana
okay hi live from Mogadishu Barbershop
Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world.
And I'm actually right here at Hovan District, this hospital. Hovan, it's weird to have my name on a hospital in a district. It's kind of strange. So this is a hospital set up by the ARC in 2015 where women and children can come. Women can find out if they have a baby. When ultrasounds are done here, they give birth here, they provide pediatric care. So I'm going to check out what they're doing because 1 in 10 women in Somalia still die from giving childbirth, and we're going to learn how this can be prevented in this country. So Somalia is not all fun, guys, but sometimes we got to be serious about the issues that face our country. So let's go inside and check out the district of Hodan Hospital set up by the ARC. Okay, so we're here inside. We're gonna go check out what women do to prevent death in this country. Well, I guess what women can do to prevent death from giving childbirth. Of course, there is the big tree here, and I love Somali culture because people always come together under a tree because a tree symbolizes life and they are shade. So let's go check out the shade and what's happening here. So Abdelkader is here. He's one of the doctors here for the ARC hospital here. So we're gonna check out how the kids are weighed. This is how the baby's weighed?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Here is the clock.
Salam alaikum. You want him? Oh. Can I pick her? Yeah? Okay, how many? 7 kilos?
No, 6.5.
6.5 kilos.
6.5.
6.5. Okay, mashallah. So 13 pounds, Malahas?
This is kg.
Oh, kg, okay, yeah.
kg.
Ah, mashallah. انت ايش تاقبها هوية؟
8 كيلو بلاد.
صدق بلاد؟ Oh, okay.
8 كيلو بلاد.
You know what I love is that Somali moms are protective of their baby. صح مايا? That's how much we love our kids. Okay. هو your baby مكو قبان كرا. No, we do this. ما قبان كرا. No. هو see, وهو would accent. See, guys? She doesn't want to give me her baby. How old is he? انت بلاد شرا. Sided blood? Sadaba blood. Okay. So this baby is 7 months old. Oh, we got another one in there. Okay, we're gonna wait. Maga'i. Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Salam alaikum. Maga'i سوي قانا سفي عنه. Yeah? Okay. So doctor, is this one finished? Yes. Okay, come back in next. There we go. How's the loading again? Like that? Okay. Move for the asaga. Whoa. Oh. Hi, Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Until I had to. Okay, 7.5 second. Okay, we'll keep calabas like I. Okay, Mohammed, صباح. Come. Come. Okay. So I want to ask you, why don't you guys have the other scale, or like in the West, the Arut Saran? Is this easier for Somalia?
This is easier.
Okay.
This is easier.
Because when I take my baby to the doctor in Canada, they put him on a scale, weight Chufian.
Yes.
So this one is so like,
even we have.
so cute.
Here is that.
Is right there?
Yes.
Okay. It's a difference. That's the length. What's the average a hoyo in Somali dalan in this city? What's the average? Like 5, 6, 7?
In average, Somali mother, in average, this village, it is up to 5 to 6 children.
5 to 6 children?
Yeah.
Wow.
Normal.
And you guys help them with all the children usually? They come back?
Yeah, they come back.
Wow.
Yes, regularly. They come back regularly.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to go to the other room, but let's check this out. So he's malnutrition because it's red. Come handsome. Aww. It's okay. Alhamdulillah. So you're going to give him nutrition after? Yeah. Asinasan, yeah? Hey, baby. Oh, he's smiling. MashaAllah. Huh?
Biscuits.
So you start the process now. أنت سينسان هذا today or no? ما سينسان today.
Biscuit.
Nutritional, high protein biscuit.
Yes.
And then he's gonna eat that for a couple months until he gets bigger.
Yes, until he recovers.
Okay.
We will give them in a weekly.
Okay.
Every week. The second week he comes as the follow up.
Okay.
What has changed?
Yeah.
Is he improving?
Yeah.
Is he recovering or not?
Yeah.
And give another
Oh,
dose
okay.
of food.
هو الناس كم سيسا؟ ها, okay. Perfect. Okay. Can we give you the baby? Come, هو يكون عندنا. Okay. Bye, Mohammed. Aww. So we saw the babies getting weighed and getting prepared, and actually there's delivery rooms here. I can't believe it. But nobody's giving a birth yet, so we can't see it. Okay. So
Mostly they come at night.
Okay, so most Somali women have the babies at night?
Yeah.
Is that a scientific study or no?
No.
I have my baby in the morning.
Yeah, it's not scientific.
I'm like, maybe I live in a different part of the world.
Yes, it is a culture.
Yeah, so this is where all the mothers are waiting?
Yes. Here is the OTB.
OTB, okay.
Yes, nutrition area.
Okay, so نفقي سوين عروتها.
Queue.
Wow.
عليك سلامة فين قبل
السلام عليكم.
وسلامي كرتين.
هذا دلع عنقة؟ Is your baby? I was like, انتي شفتها؟
هوي أوي.
هوي is it ولا شيء؟
هذا sick.
The mother is sick and you brought the baby?
The older sister.
Wow. How old are you? انتي شفتها؟
13 years.
13 years and baby دم حاليسا. ما شاء الله. قبل يرو قربت شوكته وصدحي تمن شرته. ما بدقق كرته ويل. She can't even wash dishes, okay? Okay, so we drove now to the Abdi Aziz district where the ARC has another hospital for mother and children, moms and kids. So Dr. Abubakar, we're going to go inside. I actually brought my son, guys, so he can experience Somalia. My son is here. Hassan?
Hassan.
He's shy. But anyways, we're going to go inside and we're going to check out the more services they're doing, right? Okay. All right, so come. Dr. Wasame, thank you for having us. I'm still amazed. Dr. Wasame, like, قبلها Somalia, they have kids at such young age, you know? Like, had the Gabadan, salam. Where's Gabadi baby? This is, yeah. No, it's there. Yeah, this one. So she has a baby, a new baby, mashallah. First baby, and you're 16. Okay. So we just flew we were flying the drone, and the whole neighborhood came out, Abdi Aziz, and Mama, is it Halima? Rahma, I called you Halima earlier. Rahma lives in Abdi Aziz. She's lived here 27 years. 27? لا ثاني تضرب؟
لا أنا
أنت صدق سنة شوفتي ماشي؟
مايا كمان تضرب سنة.
تضرب سنة بكون ولا حاجة؟
كون ولا ماشي.
أوكي من قدوشة. أوكي. أنت تضرب عروض بعد الشيء؟ إلا يونا حريصين بكادي مرتين بأفر بكوتشوا أفر وين. Wow. So you have 4 kids. ما شاء الله. بس. Okay. رحمة وحي بكري أنا قد دبهنتها أنا هاي أديك أنا محاتها هاي.
والله يودا لقتي.
إذا ما أعرف قرضة ولا شيء. دبهنت يا كسيتها.
شامع سيادة.
شامع سيادة. أوكي أنا قبل دبهنتها أنا هاي.
ما شاء الله. الله يا بيجان.
قبيل هو يا صوالي.
أبايو.
tell me a little bit كصوبحان يا.
ما شاء الله.
قبل هي لاس عرضنا وأنا هاي.
ما شاء الله. أبايو. بيجان سكين كنا. يا أبا. الميجا مريحان واي.
ألا me too. أنا قبل.
أرميدك واي.
أنا كنا مريحان واي عروتي هذا.
أرميدك واي كنا. أبايو.
سوالي بحي قبيلة سو ترسلان. قبيل كلية مسؤول. مركب رواية شعلة هذا ما يصير شعلاته. because قبيل كسيم ما نهاي. ما هي يقول شعلاته because same قبيل.
ولا شيء تاي.
Okay.
ما شاء الله ديجي أنا سوجيته.
ديجي. سوالي. قربة قبيل لقب بحياة guys. قبيل قربة لقب بحياة.
إن شاء الله كبيح دونا إن شاء الله مركي قعمة يسقف سنة كبيحنا إن شاء الله.
Okay. وقبل محمود قرابة ما أنت إسهلني ويد شعلاتي. but I hope إنه يقول شعلاتي قبل Somali بأنا هاي.
ما شاء الله قبل Somali. هو يسود وقت ولا شيء نوعطاه.
Yes إن شاء الله.
ما شاء الله.
Bye guys from Abdi Aziz district where we find all tribes.
إن شاء الله.
Even though أنت اللي هلا ماشي.
ولا شيء معاه سودوا. عبد العزيز
سودوا. عبد العزيز سودوا.
عبد العزيز معاه سودوا. عبد العزيز سودوا. عبد العزيز سودوا. عبد العزيز سودوا.
Integration TV live from Abdi Aziz district in Mogadishu.